Hey guys, and welcome back to the new video. Today I'm going to show you some different effects in After Effects. And by the way, this is the first time I'm showing my face on the camera, so maybe I will a little bit confused in this video because I'm a bit afraid showing my face on the camera. So I hope you like this idea and let me know in the comments what you think. Maybe it will be better without it. Yeah. Okay, let's start from the After Effects and I'll show you some different effects. So I have these effects today and we will start from this lightning bolt, I guess. I really like this effect and I used this effect in different my animations, and I already have some video on my YouTube channel. You can watch it and you will be able to see something about this. Okay, so let's create a new composition. So I'm going to draw. It will be rough, so it's even not necessary to be very ideal. Okay, we have this zigzag, or how to say it. Okay, and guys, let's choose another color. You can use gradient. I can also show you how you can use it with gradients. So we can make it even like this. And guys, we are going to find here in shape layer number 1 taper. Let's increase taper start and end to the maximum 100%, and there we are going to find the trim pass. So open our trim pass. Let's add here the start and end point here, and it will be about half second, I guess. But guys, I forgot, it's my mistake. We need to make it like this. Okay, here we are going to decrease it to 0 second, and let's drag it somewhere here, and we have something like this. But we are going to make it in another way. Just find the pass here, and we need to change the direction of it. So just click on this button and nothing special. So let's have a look what we have. We have this fast running stroke, yeah. And now we are going to find the effect turbulent displays, yeah. It's already here, and just repeat after me. Amount 46, size 100, complexity 6, and that's all. That's all what you need, and let's have a look. Yeah. So we created our lightning bolt and it looks really cool as for me. And let's add here some additional touch. I'm going to add here the glow effect, and I think with the glow effect it will be much more interesting. I'm going to increase the radius, yeah. Let's increase the radius here. Maybe glow threshold I will set to minimum, low intensity. And guys, highly recommend you to duplicate your glow. I think it looks much more better. Let's have a look. If you have the deep glow, let's compare the both of these effects. So we have much more of exposure, yeah. If we compare our deep glow and regular one, you can see that there are not enough of glow radius, yeah. And I really like deep glow because we almost no need to make some more adjustments. So I really like how it looks. So basically I'm just reducing the radius here, and if I need I will also reduce the exposure, but now it looks good as for me. So guys, I highly recommend you to play with these glow properties and make it for you, as you see. Okay guys, now let's create our drop effect. So this like a raindrop or liquid drop. I'm going also to create a new composition. Here let's add any text, let it be drop, fine, okay. And let's here add the shape. Now it looks very rough, so I'm going to remove the stroke here and I'm going to use fill. You can use the gradient one or you can use just the colored. Okay guys, after you draw this shape with your pen tool, we are going to find this effect. It named CC smear. We are going to apply it here Now we need to set up our points. We are going to set reach to 0. As you can see, this point 2, I'm going to set above this shape somewhere here, and the from we are going to set somewhere here. The radius, it will be about 130, I guess. And guys, now we are going to check how it looks. Let's add here the keyframe on the first second, and let's move further and increase our reach to maximum. But guys, I think it is too much. Okay guys, I set this point even more higher, so now it is somewhere here. This is point 2, so it's here, and let's have a look. So guys, I think it looks pretty cool as for me. So you can even use and make different adjustments here, because you can play with these points, and you can even make the keyframes for your radius. So for example, you want to stop this liquid somewhere here, to make it invisible, yeah, here. So we are going to create, for example, this keyframe for our radius here, and let's set it to 0 somewhere here. So now it looks like this. So guys, as I told, you can make a lot of different adjustments here, so you will be able to make it much more interesting than you can see it now. Okay, the next effect I'm going to show you these radio waves. Okay guys, let's make the new composition. We are going just to draw the circle. Let it be ellipse. Perfect ellipse. And guys, here we are going to find the radio waves effect. Apply it here. We are going to make the center point. So this is the point where our waves will go from. So for example, now it goes from this point, yeah. But if we will set it here, so as you understand, this is the point where our circles will go. Let it be somewhere here. And now guys, I'm going to add some frequency here, and also I'm going to increase the fade out time to maximum here. Maybe not to maximum, but about 100. And here guys, I'm going to decrease the lifespan. So I make it to make our area of these circles. So I can adjust our circles radius with this property. So if we will increase it, we will be able to see our circles somewhere here. But if we will decrease it, it will disappear from this point, for example, or even from this, as you can see. Yeah. And all you need, you can just add here the radio tower. Basically guys, I use the free pick, so you can find there a lot of different pictures what you need. Just find anything you need, and here you just need to find the vectors. And guys, the last one, this text with blurred or mosaic effect. Yeah, so let's recreate it. And guys, here we are going to add the mask, and basically it's really easy to create it. So I just need to adjust my mask here, so let it be something like this. Okay, from this point guys, we are going to select the mask path here. So guys, here we need to move further, and let's drag it somewhere here. You can drag it pressing the shift. So now we have something like this. We are going to duplicate it. Here we need to find the mask, and it will be inverted. And here we need to find the mosaic. So guys, now let's increase the vertical and horizontal blocks here. And now it looks like this. So it looks very good. Also, I'd like you to propose make some keyframes for these horizontal blocks. Maybe you will increase and decrease it, so you will be able to see some movement here. Okay, and guys, as you mentioned, I made in my composition this frame, yeah, so we can name it a frame, and it goes with this text, and let's create it too. I'm going to find the fill, just let it be white colored. Okay guys, we have something like this. Let's place it somewhere here. I'm going also to set the anchor point to the middle here. I'm just need to press the control here, and here just need to double click on this icon. Okay, the next step, we are going to duplicate it, transform, flip horizontal, and let's move it here. Duplicate one more time, transform, flip, and this time vertical. So we are going to set it here, and guys, one more time, flip horizontal, and drag it here. So maybe it's not perfect, but I think it is okay. Let's pre-compose all these layers, or you can even link all these 3 layers to the first one, so you will be able to move it together, for example, as you can see now, yeah. So we can make it in this way too. So I'm going to press the keyframe for our position, and let's go to the second and drag it here. So position and drag it here. So let's have a look what we have. So guys, in this way you can make different texts. Maybe it will be useful for you because some guys asked me to show this effect mosaic, yeah. So guys, that's all what I wanted to show you in this video. I hope these effects will be useful for you, and especially if you're a beginner, it will be useful for you, I'm sure. So guys, let me know in the comments what you think about this video, and let me know in the comments what you think about this person on this screen. Maybe it will be better to not show myself. So guys, thank you so much. See you soon in the next video, and have a nice day, and goodbye.